How to see someone's location on Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can see someone location on Google Maps. So it was very easy. The first way was you need to ask to the person for share their location, and how they will share your location. So for that they will simply go to Google Maps. Once they click here on top right corner, they will see small profile pic. So simply click on that. Once click on that, here they will see your profile, your timeline, location sharing. So simply click location sharing. Here they will see share location. Simply click on share location. Now here it will say for 1 hour until they turn off it. So also they will see WhatsApp and other apps. So simply told that click on WhatsApp or any app that you have connected with them, and once they click here, after that they will see link, so they will share that with you. And once they share, you will simply click on that, and after that you will click on continue, and that's after that you will see their live location on Google Maps. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.